What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial we are going to dive into how to get a working payload, SNI and proxy that you can use to create your VPN file to tunnel your network provider. So remember, this video is for educational purpose only. Now let's get it started. So on your phone, what you're going to do is you are going to open your Play Store and search for CoveNet. So from here you are going to install the Cove app on your phone. So after installing it, you are going to open it. As you can see right here, I've already installed it on my phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open the app. So once the app opens, you are going to tap on SNI generator. So the next step is to tap on select country. So from the drop down menu, you are going to go through and select your country that you are living in. So once you select your country from the drop down menu, you are going to tap on generate button. So underneath here, you can see that the app have generated the method of tunneling, the SNI and the proxy that you can use to create your configuration file. So when you click on next, you are going to see other SNI, payload or proxy that you can also use to create your configuration file. So after going through all these and you find the payload or the SNI or the proxy that you want to use, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the copy tab to copy it and then go back to the app that you are using to configure your file and paste it right there. So if in case you are using a different operating system, let's say you are using an iPhone, please, this app is not available on your app store. So what you're going to do is we are going to land on this website. So I will leave the link in the video description. So when you land on this website, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you find this box. So from here, you're going to select your country like how we did it earlier. So after you select your country, then you click on generate, and then the website will generate the payload, SNI and proxy that are working in your country. So now you can go ahead and copy the payload or the SNI or the proxy from here and use it in your file configuration. And I hope this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share this video with your friend and comment as well. And I will see you in the next tutorial soon. Peace.